Hello and welcome to another SIP Caller video. Today I will be showing how SIP Caller can be used with FreePBX in order to run an outbound calling campaign. We will be doing the entire configuration procedure from scratch. We will need to register a phone system here first. Then we will need to create a call flow, and finally we will create a campaign and upload the numbers to call. We will do the entire procedure in less than 5 minutes. This is to show how easy it is to run SIP Caller with FreePBX. So let's get started. We have a stopwatch here. We will start it. And the first thing we need to do is register a PBX. Here we will specify a name, FreePBX. We'll specify the IP address of the PBX. For the extension, specify a name, my extension. This is just a friendly name to identify it. We will create extension number 202, and to do that we will go to the FreePBX administration page and we will add an extension. Extension will be 202, display 2, 202. We need to copy this as an auth ID. For the password, we will copy the value from the secret here. Please note that this extension will be removed after this video. In the Advanced tab, we need to select an option here in the outbound concurrency limit. It's set to 3 by default. We will be making up to 16 simultaneous calls. So let's set this to 16. And now we click Submit. And we click Apply. Okay. So we go here, we set the max simultaneous calls to 16 as well, and we register it here. Good. So now we have our phone system registered. We need to create a call flow. We will use the play prompt template. We will just specify a name for this product promotion, for example. This will be a prompt to play in order to promote a product. So the message generated with text to speech will be, hello, we are calling from Acme to offer our great products. Okay, so that will be our message. We go to the dashboard, we can see that the FreePBX extension is registered. So we go to the campaign section and we create a campaign. We will set a name, product, promotion. The phone system and the extension is already selected because we only have one. For the working times, this is fine. It will be executed now. And in the behavior section, we need to select the call flow that we will be using. In this case, we are selecting this product promotion call flow for human answer. This means that when a human answers the call, we will play this prompt, but when an answering machine answers the call, we will just drop the call and we will retry this call later. We will select a better voice for text to speech, and we are done with this. The campaign is created. Now we need to add the numbers. We will select upload file and we will upload a file here. This is a file containing around 1,000 numbers, 999. Here we are. Okay, so we have our campaign. It is in draft state, which means that we can still edit it. So we need to activate it in order to start making calls. We will activate the campaign. It's active. If we go to the dashboard, we will see that PBX is registered, the campaign is active. This will start making calls in any moment. So we will see how we are going with this. 4 minutes. So in less than 5 minutes, we managed to register the PBX, and create the call flow and create the campaign. So the campaign is starting making calls in any moment. Once the campaign is activated, there is a process in background that can take up to 1 minute to start processing the calls actually. So we will need to wait a bit. Um, Here in the dashboard we can see a lot of useful information about the calls that we are doing during the current day, the answered calls, answer rate, and okay, so here we have 16 simultaneous calls being made, and we are starting seeing some results. 12 answer calls, 2 busy calls, 2 call errors. Here we can see human answers, the number of calls answered by a human, the number of calls answered by a answer machine, the call outcome. Okay, so this um, campaign is being executed. It will take a while, and meanwhile we can see some reports here. For example, the call details shows a call by call report. Uh, we have filters here, a bunch of very useful features, so we can select anything we want. For example, we want to select uh, all the calls answered by a human, so these are the calls. We can also select which columns we want to see because not all of them are currently visible. And if we go to the campaign analysis report, we will see uh, useful charts uh, showing how the campaign is moving on along. Um, you will see very useful charts here that will let you make decisions based on all these metrics. So this is all for today. Hope you like the product and let us know in case of having any questions. We'll keep in touch. Thank you.